Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a project 375.ai. We've shared this app years ago on Patreon. We've shared it when it first came out. And now it's coming to mainnet, and we're going to show you how to claim it today because I haven't claimed anything until this far. And so we are early on projects, and most people are not paying attention, or they just look and no action, and that's unfortunate. Well, you guys are just going to be watching other people gain and you not gain anything. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is a AI powered at the edge for smarter and connected world. This is their vision. It's transforming the world and requires immense amount of data. So as we've talked in the past about data centers and data, your data, they're giving you a chance to get paid in data tokens, by helping AI, et cetera, et cetera. But this project believes that AI's full potential realized with real-time data processed at the edge with privacy and security at the forefront. Their vision is to build the world's first and largest decentralized edge data intelligence network, leveraging advanced AI and blockchain technology. They enable real-time data processing analysis, ensuring data privacy and enhanced experiences for people around the world, right? And as you see, they're giving you their example. So they got diverse experiences leading technology at companies, and they give you kind of some of these Palo Alto networks, Juniper networks, so security protocols, different things of that nature. Here's the people on the team here. All right, so we're just showing you the information. So then we're going to get right into their app. So they got Swift, agility, swift and adapt, always ahead, integrity, honest, transparent in all that they do, reliability, consistent performance every time, privacy, your data always protected. So join their network, to build their decentralized edge data intelligence network, and it gives more information on it. So if you want to check their project, there's their website. Let's get straight to the app. So here we are at collecting. So yes, it has a map of your location, all that. It pays you. You just have to have the app open. So we're going to come to collecting now. We are collecting. Let's try this again. Okay, claim. Yeah, we're just going to keep claiming all these until I get them all in the wallet. That's about it. So I went back to the old video. In the video, just to see how many tokens I had to claim, and this is what I had to claim. So as you see here, that times 3 cents equals that. So that is free money that you could earn by just using these simple apps. And especially right now in the time where we have the food stamp stuff going on, we got bunch of trade deals going on, and there's a lot of stuff going on, global trade deals and stuff increasing, at the store. This could be an opportunity. And what is this? This is a share. So I'm still holding this token. Do I need to sell it right now or hold it? I mean, I don't have to sell it, so I'm going to probably stake it and earn interest on it, and earn this same token on it. So beyond that, that's another opportunity to earn more of this token, because it's like I'm not in a hurry to have to sell it, but I can wait till later. So otherwise, I can sell it, trade it, and rebuy it, but I'm not interested in that. I can stake it, hold it, and earn more yield or interest on this token. So beyond that, guys, we share opportunities here for you to accumulate assets. If we share it here, whether it's on X or any other platform, and you just watch it and don't act, that's your missed opportunity. We're giving you opportunities for you to build your wealth. If you don't want it, you ain't got to take it. But don't be surprised that we gaining and you not. We're winning over here. We're giving you steps to win. Either you want the steps or you don't. But going forward, we're not going to be wasting our time posting videos on asset accumulation if you're not even watching or thumbsing up or commenting. And I'm serious about that, guys. If you're not engaging with those videos, then what's the purpose of sharing them for? So majority of people like the other stuff because they get more knowledge and insight, so that way they can see the other videos of why you're supposed to accumulate and learning this technology before it's all in play. But yeah, we appreciate if you going forward. If you like, thumbs up, and let us know if you're interested in something. Leave a comment. But beyond that, keep accumulating assets, and we'll catch you on the next one.